No, I didn't fall off the planet. Hello, you wonderful beings. Don't worry, I didn't fall off the planet. I've just been hiding under a pile of thoughts, reflection, and misplaced notes. Okay, seriously, I hit pause. I know it might have felt like I disappeared these past few months, but I needed time to reflect and reset. It wasn't easy, but it was necessary. And I still need time to reset. But well, life has to go on. Anyway, 2024 was a turning point for me. After creating over 400 ukulele tutorials and pouring my heart into endless creative projects, I found myself burned out. My body was telling me, stop, arthritis, chronic pain, and exhausting all over. It caught up with me. For a moment, I thought I lost my voice, or maybe even my music. As you see, I only have one guitar. I sold all my instrument. I was like done with everything. But yeah, when I went back to my roots, I reconnected with why I became a music therapist. To hear, to create, and to inspire. That's when I rediscovered the handpan. This magical instrument wasn't just about sound, it was about soul, connection, and healing. And now I'm back, ready to share my journey with you. So what will be next? A new book, new music, and exciting path ahead. But I'll keep you guessing for now. Cliffhanger, anyone? So stay tuned, because I promise you it's going to be a amazing ride, and I let you participate on my new journey, what will be soon. So stay tuned. Love you. See you soon. Doña.